Hello everyone and Cosmasini. Today my friend and I will explain about this quantitative alarm. My name is Ronald Malimata.
My name is William.
Where I explain about a simple quantitative alarm from cardboard, electronic, basic electronic components, and creativity. I explain how I personally and that alarm is so much. It is that this thousand years after at it only you switch this buzzer
This is the buzzer.
buzzer this and power source.
Ini power source guys.
Material used is cardboard box. It can be also decorated creatively. Limit switch,
This is the limit switch.
Jumper wires,
Ya ini jam belajar. Ya.
buzzer, or
This is the buzzer.
alarm.
Ya, ini alarm.
Nice battery or simple battery pack.
This one.
This and this. Cardboard.
This is the box.
Yeah. And the last material is glue and tape.
Only to use here. How it works? The concept is very simple. This is what it is right here. The limit switch is placed inside the box. This is the box. And then plug it into the box because the switch is pressed. When someone work, now the box buzzer is realized which movement in circuit and activates the buzzer. The buzzer creates a loud sound, acting and alarm. Alarm the alert you. This is a basic closed circuit system. When the switch is open, the buzzer is off. When it's closed, the buzzer turns on. The particular programming just error placement of component.
As you can see in the box, so the decoration cardboard, we painted it with the word victory and added illustration to make it look like a mysterious or vintage box. This helps disclose the arm and makes the project more interesting.
The wiring is simple, but better from the The wiring is simple, but wire battery was close to the side of the switch. The other side of the switch connects to the positive terminal of the buzzer. The buzzer negative terminal with respect to battery around when the switch is curved, iron flows and buzzer and the buzzer sounds.
Okay. Kemudian recording is one and by learning about basic sequence and how scripted can be used for security purpose. It's perfect for presentation, science fact, or even as a simple from security project. And remember, no Arduino or coding sequence, just basic electronic and creativity. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.